You just have to hit the red button.
Load of aluminum. Got the shear. It's Monday night. Progress is going to happen. Well, he's got both cars in the hole. Parts have been ordered for this one to start rebuilding it over the winter. They should be here in a couple weeks. In the meantime, he's going to get going on the reskinning the cabinets inside. I'll probably be out here Saturday helping him.
Really, the only holes that's a concern is where you see the outside.
I will say this, that air compressor kicks on every single time I put power to this rig. Like, no matter if I've been a generator on or what. Now, I've heard it cycle like on and off, but
I always flip it off unless you're using it. We always flip the other one off.
Wreck-It Ralph is going to town.
that's safe.
He's itching to see what's underneath because they just lapped the countertop over it.
Like, for what reason?
Yeah, there was nothing wrong with that besides the holes for the vise.
Here's the vise.
Yeah, there's the shock vise.
Yeah.
Why would they do that?
That'll clean up. That's better than our old ones. This will. Remember we used to steel wool to it? It cleaned right up.
Correct. No, there's nothing wrong with this.
Yeah.
I mean, but there I can run stainless up from there.
Yeah.
Shit, I just clean that up. It'll clean up like this. I think we could shine her up pretty good. The more I look at, like Dave Klein said, we get by the first year.
This one's for sale. Somebody come buy it, along with that trailer back there. Truck's back in the shop. Darren's getting going on the trailer. We'll get going on the truck. First thing is tomorrow night, give it a bath. Darren's happy with the Blackstone because that means I get to cook at the track. Well, it's Tuesday night. Me and George are out here getting her cleaned up. Doug will be back shortly. I was just on the roof with the old man lift and got her scrubbed off all the black and grime off of it. So getting ready to douse the motor now. We'll have her spiffed up in no time. Cooper's not happy about the truck sitting here. Are you? Are you? You don't like that big truck, do you? Well, it's Thursday. Just got to Darren's. He has been flat going to town.
I'm telling you, it's not 3M. You don't need to fight about it. Yeah.
You've been busting your butt there. You've been going to town.
Videos make it look like I don't fucking work on nothing, but I really do. I get it. Here, why don't you use that one for this? The brake one. Just fucking oil the shit out of it, though. You see this? Yeah, I guarantee they won't like it. Yeah, this one's dull as fuck, too. I was hoping you'd get one. Or a couple.
We got plenty.
Huh?
I said we done plenty. So in the video tour S&S, all the white frames that were sitting behind that trailer were all these cabinets. I'd say not all of them, but quite a few of them getting ready to go into the trailer that they were working on. Holy cow. Double-sided tape sucks.
So that's what that is?
Yep.
What'd they use it for?
It's holding the aluminum on.
Why don't you just bolt it in?
What are you pointing at there?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't you just bolt it in?
Because they just double-side tape it up there. That's how they do it. Yeah, back out on the trailer. It's Saturday. Max is working on converting all the fluorescent lights to LEDs. He's got the bulbs there for him already. We got the conversion kits ordered for these short ones yesterday. Should be here middle of next week. What a dang mess. We're getting there though. Gonna get all these frames cleaned up and get all the caulk off of them. Gonna see how these little jewels work. They're scraper blades on the oscillating tool. I mean, there's literally just stuff everywhere. But it will be nice when we're done for sure. Daryn will be here shortly. I beat him out here. No big deal. Dogs are happy, have company. Gonna get after it. Double-sided tape sucks. Soak it with mineral spirits after you come through with the scraper. That's what's left. Soak it with mineral spirits about 5 minutes. Come through with this Diablo scraper on the oscillating tool, and it looks like that when you're done. Really liking that. Put a little bit more on, come back with a rag, and she'll wipe right off. My hands are still vibrating. He's banging out templates. Got all the caulk stripped out of these 3 cabinets. These 2. This one's all stripped out. We're going to make this one wider, the opening, as well as these 2 tonight. Daryn and Ogre are going to tackle that, and I think that's going to wrap this video up for this week. Thanks for watching. Hope you're following along. It's going to be a process, but we're making good headway at it. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture in the lower right-hand corner. Catch you all next week. There's Bangy McGee over there. The three supervisors.